I'm Bryan McLeod. I work as a soil consultant and I'm also working with Tau Research. And Tau Research have developed a set of technologies using soil sensors to improve and help strawberry growers improve their productivity. It also can be used for other growers as well, such as blueberries and orchards at which those sections are still in development. So let's have a look at this greenhouse. So the technology involves placing sensors at various parts in your greenhouse or in your strawberry patch or blueberry patch, and it's collecting data from the various placement and transferring it to the units here, which will then transfer it to your home computer. So at this stage I'll introduce Mr. Rahat Hasan, who is a technician and the developer of the programs. So I'll ask Rahat to explain how it all operates and what's the purpose of these placing these sensors in at various points in your.
Thank you, Brian. So after many consultation with our growers, my team and I developed this tech as a all-in-one solution that covers many requirements of growers. So firstly, you have to place the sensor into the soil like you do for many sensors, and then it transfers the information automatically to our dashboard, and the insights that is produced on our dashboard includes evapotranspiration, chill hours, growing degree days, risk index for powdery mildew, gray mold and fruit rot, as well as notifications on when to turn your pump on and off, and when to apply nutrient.
Well, thank you, Rahat, and I'm sure growers understand the requirements and how this can help them solve a lot of their seasonal problems. We know the importance of knowing chilling hours for certain crops. We know the importance of growing degree days, and we know the importance of monitoring water levels in our soil. So thank you, Rahat.
Thank you, Brian.
So we've now moved into the computer and look at the analytics of the information that the sensors were sending to the cloud and then to your computer and also to your consultant's computer. So it can be monitored from the consultant can contact you at any time and tell you what's happening, and that information will be coming from the cloud to your computer as well. So the first one we have here is soil moisture deficit. So and it's measuring the soil moisture that has to be between the maximum or optimum water level and the minimum water level. And of course over here you can go back and look at any date for the last month or last year if you want to, and it will give you a graph. And we can see here that the water level fluctuates in the soil, but it's all within the ideal range. Now if we move to the next report, and this is the electrical conductivity or EC. You see EC on your soil reports. Well, this is it's just giving you a graph, and it's showing you mainly if you're in a bag situation wherever you're monitoring EC, and you can see where the EC has dropped here. Some extra fertilizer has been added and it's dropped again, and it needs to be brought back to the ideal level. So this is all information that your program will provide. And here we've got evaporation, and we can see the different days how the plant evaporation from the soil. And this, of course, these are the very hot days, and these are the cooler days where there's no evaporation. And you can get an accurate assessment of how to conduct your irrigation. The next one we have is powdery mildew index. So it's showing you a straight line here. It means that during this days there was no indication of that powdery mildew should be a problem. But your powdery mildew index, of course, will be sent to you daily, and so you can monitor that. We know the dangers of powdery mildew. Now, chilling units for crops, it's critical for strawberries, blueberries. We know kiwi fruit all have minimum chill days, maximum chill days, but minimum temperatures. And so this is telling us here how many days have been accumulated, and it's 20.5 chill units. And then we can move on to growing degree days, and you can see how the temperatures increased, and we've had quite a significant month of growing degree days. And this is a supplementary data which is provided, which is all your data put together. Now you can see from what the sensors are sending you, you're getting a lot of information to help you optimize your yield.
G'day everyone, it's Daniel. I wanted to take you through our pricing plans. So, as you know, we have an upfront cost for our hardware, and as you can see, here are our current June 2024 prices. So, a Tau moisture temperature and EC sensor, $789. A moisture temperature sensor by itself is $489, and leaf wetness sensors, which are for our disease management analytics, are $585. We also have a hardware leasing option, so if you're interested in 1 month convenient price, then get in touch. Also, we're offering a 12-month manufacturer warranty, so if for any reason the hardware isn't providing reliable and accurate readings, we'll replace the hardware free of charge. And also would like to introduce at this point an exciting offer for a select group of growers. We're offering our hardware free of charge for up to 3 months. This is a way that growers can get started with little or no risk from a hardware perspective, and we're only for this requiring the $74.99 per sensor per month connection fee. So you get a base station and either 2 soil moisture sensors or a soil moisture and EC sensor for free for up to 3 months. So this is a great way that growers can get started with the technology, and there's only that monthly cost for the software for the analytics. And once you're using it and benefiting, that's when you're expected to pay for the hardware. So this is an exclusive offer. You're recommended to get in now. And just going over these monthly pricing plans, these are subscriptions. So for the weather monitoring, which chill hours, units, growing degree days, evapotranspirations, and the user can export this data, it's $74.99 per site per month. And for soil moisture and nutrient, that's moisture deficit, electrical conductivity, and that export functions, it's $34.99 per sensor per month. And disease management, also that's the leaf wetness sensors for fruit rot, grey mold, and powdery mildew at $34.99 per month. And you can see more of this at tau.co.nz or tau.co.nz/strawberries. Okay, thanks.
So that's the end of our presentations. So thank you for watching and listening, and we hope we've created an interest that you'll want to know more about our technology. Bye for now.